Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. I'm your Excel guru and today I'm going to tell you how to do data validation with date. Well, what is data validation? In this series I have told how we can program Excel to accept data based on conditions or prerequisites given by us, defined by us. So today we are going to discuss conditions or prerequisites based on date which we can give. See, I have taken an example over here. Here's the location. Here is the location of this data. I have a set of products over here, say microwave, CD players, fridge, LCDs, PlayStation or something, and iron, and all these things are mentioned over here. These are the areas where they were sold, and these were the units sold in this specific areas. And now say we need to enter the dates, some specific dates over here, so we can control what date goes into this cell, or dates between what range goes into this. So this can be done very easily, and it's very beneficial when you're working on large numbers of data, so that there is no mistake, you cannot afford to have an error. Then the best thing is to do data validation. You go to this Excel ribbon and go to data and click on data validation, and then data validation, and here comes our data tab. But before that we have to ensure that we keep our mouse, or we highlight the cell in which we want to put the data validation. I would be putting in multiple data validation, so I'm choosing only one cell, but we can also choose the complete cells also, complete range. So we am selecting this cell F8. F is the column and 8 is the row, so this is F8, data validation, and it says setting, allow any value. No, we only want to allow a date. So the first option that it is asking us is between. So you can give a start date and an end date. You can type in the date over here, or as mentioned over here, if you see, you can specify a range. If you have mentioned a date over here, you can specify that also. So rather than that, I will be typing in a date. Say we can type between December the 1st, 2011 till today, which is December the 14th, 2011. Well, we click on OK. Okay, it's saying the data I've entered is not valid because it is working on, I'm sure what it is working on. It is working on DDMMYY format. So the date comes first, the months come later, and the year comes later than that. So I'm changing this. Okay, so now we have put data validation over here, and I have put in the range 1 till 14. So let me test it whether it is working or not. So I'll put in 15, 12, 11, which is tomorrow. The value you entered is not valid. A user has restricted values which can be entered into the cell. That means Excel is prompting us to enter the right value, so you can either cancel it or retry. The cell will go blank, and then you can type, say, 14/12/11, and there comes the date. Isn't it cool? Okay, we'll try another method now. Data validation. We are going to the next cell. We are in F9. Date. Now, this is not between, exactly the opposite of between. That means you would be able to input any date other than the range mentioned over here. Say, for example, we'll take again this range. Okay, that it should not enter dates between the 15th of December till the 17th of December. Alright, so I try entering 15th December. It says to retry. I can cancel it. It will go blank. So if I try entering 16th, again an error. Now if I try entering 18, it accepts it. That means it is not accepting the dates between 15 till 17. Alright, another method. Now coming to data validation, part 3. Before that, let me tell you this input message. You know what? We are getting this error message whenever we say you can actually type your own error method. Say the title would be Excel Made Easy says look and type. That's just for fun. Okay, so here's my error method, and here comes. Oh, actually this was wrong. This was an input message where whenever we click on this cell, it will tell you that what value can be typed in over here. What is the condition set in? So like I can set in a condition, okay, 15 till 18 is the date which cannot be entered. So that is what you can type in over here. And this is the error alert. So the style would be like this. This is a stop sign. This is a warning sign. This is information. This is the title. Again, Excel. Now I'll type Guru says. What do we need to type? Some funny thing, some funny error message. See what you have done? So this would be it. Now I'll go to data validation and I will type in the value. I'll go to date, select date, and this time we are doing equal to, which means a date, only a specific date can be entered over here, like say only for today. So which is 14/12/11. So other than this, no other date can be typed. I've typed in today's date, so that's the only date that can be typed in. I try typing in say 12/12/11, which is day before yesterday. And here it comes. Guru says, see what you have done. So if I click on OK, it will go blank. So I can type, if I type in today's date, which will be OK, I believe. It has taken that in. See? Okay. Now next example would be, we would be covering, so how many examples? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have done 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 3 we have done. Now we are coming to the fourth one. So the fourth one is not equal to, and again, which is the exact opposite of equal to, so that any date other than the given date would be entered. The user would be able to enter any date other than the given date. Say again, anything other than today would be okay by me. Let's put an error input message. Guideline. Okay. Can enter any date other than 14/12/11. Again, Guru says, read the message. You this would be fun. Okay, can enter any date other than 14/12/11. See, Okay, okay, I'll enter the same date. 14, 12, 11. Read the message you. Okay, I'll retry it. So this is 12, 12, 11. I find Excel so fun. It is actually fun. I love this. I teach not only Excel, I teach, I have tutorials on so many other things. I try to make things fun for everybody. Okay, let's get back to work. Data validation. Again, settings and date. Sorry, we clicked on time. Date. Now, greater than, again, as it easily says, anything greater than this, a specific date would be allowed to be entered in the cell or in the range. Say we'll take anything greater than today. And you know what? The formula for today is actually now is equal to NOW, bracket open, bracket close, and hit enter, and you will be able to get the today's date and time anytime you open your Excel file. Try it. Nice one. I also have a video on that. There is also a formula called today is equal to today, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, that's my BlackBerry is ringing, telling me there is some email that I have received. Okay. Well, let me put it on silent mode. Let it not disturb us. Okay, so greater than today would be what we would be able to enter. So let's enter yesterday. Oh, why only yesterday? Anything else? Let's enter my birthday. The value you entered is not valid. So cancel. Type in tomorrow's date. 15/12/11. Oh, it's allowing us. See? Back to the next example. I'm sure that would be less than. See, less than. Again, you can give a date, a cutoff date, and only dates below that date would be the one that would be allowed to be entered. So let's do that. Again, we are taking the example of today itself. So we try entering tomorrow's date, 14/12/11. Error. Cancel. I type in today's date. Let us see. Again error because they're asking less than today. 13/12/11. Yep, that's taken it. This is a very good feature. Very good feature. Between now comes greater than or equal to. Again, very much equal to. Very much like greater than. It just would include today also. It would be an inclusive way wherein it would include the date, the condition mentioned, like greater than or equal to today. So 14/12/11. So if I enter today also, it will accept it. 14/12/11. In this case, when I typed in today, it did not take because today's date. It did not take because it was exclusively less than today. So here it includes that. And same way it can be done for date and less than or equal to. Now I'll tell you how to actually clear a conditional formatting. Alright, we select this. We have conditional formatting over here. There are a few ways of removing it. We first click on data validation. Sorry, I'll tell you how to remove data validation. So we select this, alright, and we click on clear all. So the data formatting has been removed. Now you see there is no data formatting. I can type in any day, say 12/12/11. It will take any date. It will take, getting it? See, any date can be taken now. That's one way of removing it. And there is another way. You click on the home tab, you click on clear, and you click on clear all. Everything would be gone, including your data. There is one more way, a better way. Okay, that was it. Clear all would clear everything, and You're clicking on data, data validation, clear data validation circle. Sorry, that is the third way. So now the data validation would be removed like this way also. So I hope this was a helpful video to you. And the file that you're looking at, this Excel file, is available for free download on my website. Where you can download it for free and practice along. Till then, this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.